Okay guys, let's get right into this video. Today I'll be making an avocado mask with honey. So right there you have avocado, some honey, some olive oil I'm going to be using as well. And I'm also going to be using some avocado oil. And then I have a spatula as well as a knife to cut the avocado with, a bowl to mix everything in, and a cutting board. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by removing all this junk off of the cutting board so that I can cut the avocado. And so I'm going to cut this avocado. I had this avocado for like a little while. My husband brought it for me, and he put it on top of the refrigerator actually, and I don't think that's the best place for it. So as you can see, I'm cutting this avocado. It is super dark, and it's actually, I found out that it was actually molded. I saw the mold afterwards, and I was like, oh my god, I don't know that I could put this in my hair. So I just tossed that. I grabbed another avocado. Yeah, you can see the mold in there. So I just grabbed another avocado that I did have that wasn't on the fridge. Well, it was on the fridge as well, but it wasn't as bad. So I'm just cutting that one up, and I'm going to be using this avocado. Normally I would say, I guess you would use how much, depends on how long your hair is. I decided to use the good part that wasn't so bad. So I'm just taking that out. You can use a spoon. I just felt it was easier for me to use a knife because I already had it available. So you're just gonna scoop this out. Okay, and then I decided that I did not want to mix this, mash it up. I decided it would be faster just to blend it inside of my bullet, so my ninja, so I just added some avocado oil and some olive oil in there. That is about a teaspoon of each. So I'm just gonna put that inside of there along with some honey. The honey was giving me difficulties as well, trying to squeeze it out. It wasn't much that I needed. So I also put in about maybe a teaspoon, not a teaspoon, a tablespoon as well of honey. And then I just added in the avocado. So I saw this mask for, I believe it was Cardi B's mask, but she had like a lot of different oils in there, like hair oils and different things. I did not have all of that available, so I just kind of tweaked this to what I had already in my house, which was just the avocado oil, olive oil, honey, and avocado. So there are many good benefits to this that are very, very good for your hair. I'm going to be popping those up on the screen so you can read those different things, what honey does for your hair, avocado does for your hair, and olive oil does for your hair as well. So now I'm just mixing this in my bullet, my ninja. So just go ahead and mix that till it's completely mixed well. You could also mash it with the mashed potato masher, which was what I was going to do, but I actually didn't pull that out. So here I'm just finishing it, blending it, because there was a little bit of honey and oil left at the bottom. So there you have it. It's completely mixed. You guys, I'm sorry if you hear my son in the background, but I'm just gonna go over a little bit of the benefits for avocado. Avocado is like a B complex vitamin, and it has like a lot of good stuff in it, like biotin, potassium, magnesium, and it's gonna help your hair be smooth, shiny, and silky as well. It's also gonna prevent your hair from breaking, and it's gonna also seal in the cuticle cells. Honey is good for adding moisture into your hair. It's a great moisturizer, and especially good to help restore like luster to your hair, to give it a natural luster shine. And some of the benefits for olive oil is going to help you with less dandruff. It's going to help you reduce your split ends and make your hair stronger and increase your hair growth. So yeah, just put this in. I'm going to tell you, it does not smell the best, but I don't really like the way olive oil smells from the beginning. But yeah, you're going to use this mask, put it on your hair, let it sit for about at least 30 minutes with a cap on, a shower cap on it to retain the heat and moisture, and then rinse it out and wash as usual. I did let mine stay on for about actually 3 hours because I had some running around and cleaning to do in the house, and then after I washed it out. I will be posting that video later. I will leave the link to that video down in the description box below, and as always, thank you for watching.